Firefighter body cam videos are completely blowing up on YouTube right now. If you look closely at this channel, they are pulling 12 million views, 23 million views, and even 1.7 million views on single short-form videos. This niche works incredibly well because the emotional stakes are always sky high. The RPM for action-packed storytelling is massive, and barely anyone is making this content yet because they think it takes hours to produce. To show you the proof, here's what I made in 10 minutes. Alright, now let me tell you how to make videos like that. First, you need an idea, so open up a Google Doc to organize your workflow. You want to highlight your target audience, choose a first-person POV style, and pick an emotional anchor like a missing child or a trapped pet to lock in the viewer. Once that is structured, copy the text and head over to ChatGPT using the link in the description. Paste your prompt into the message box and hit enter to generate your content concepts. You can get all these prompts from my Discord. Scroll through the generated list and select the idea that stands out the most to copy it. By the way, if you want to make this content for TikTok but are outside the Creator Reward Program regions, then check out the accounts I have in the description. Now go back to your Google Doc to prepare your visual generation prompt blueprint. This second prompt needs to request image details, cinematic framing, specific smoky lighting conditions, camera movements, and clear sound effect design notes. Copy this detailed engineering prompt and navigate back to ChatGPT. Paste it into the message bar, add your chosen rescue scenario at the end, and press send. Within seconds, you will receive a fully fleshed out scene breakdown containing optimized visual prompts for every single frame. By the way, if you want to get access to the best niches before I post them, and you want one-on-one coaching from me where I literally answer every question, and my short-form content course, then join my community. It's the cheapest it'll ever be right now. Now it is time to generate the video clips. So go to Ghostscript using the link in the description. Head to the sidebar and click on the Kling 3.0 video generator option to open the tool interface. Go back to your ChatGPT tab, highlight the entire scene description text for your first clip and press copy. Toggle back and click inside the generation description box at the bottom of the screen. Paste your copied scene text directly into the input area. Wait for the processing wheel to finish, then hover over the completed video asset and click the download icon to save it to your local files. Repeat this exact text copying and rendering process for every scene description in your script. Once all your clips are downloaded, download CapCut using the link in the description and open up a new vertical project timeline. Click on the large blue upload button in the center of the media panel to open your file finder. Select all your generated rescue clips from your folder and hit open to import them. Drag your first clip down onto the video track and adjust its boundaries. From there, drag your second first-person perspective clip onto the timeline directly next to the first one. Click the preview play button to verify that the visual continuity and action flow seamlessly between the two shots. Now navigate up to the top right corner of the interface and click the blue export button. If you want to build a highly profitable faceless channel just like this with direct guidance, click the link below to join my coaching community.